He's a good boy. Okay, go get Jessie. Jessie, stand on the mat in the middle. Okay. All right, go get her. Go get her. Good boy, Joseph.
Do I have to run where he goes next to me?
What?
Do I have to run where he goes next to me?
No, you won't. You're not doing... No, Joseph. Stay.
I want to see.
No, you stay there. Okay, go get her. Go.
There. No.
No, not that way. No, don't turn fast. Just turn very slow.
Make sure you move when he's next to you, Jeffy. No.